Good lick, Charlie. What's wrong with...
Oh my gosh.
Hello, my name is Dr. Alexander C. Frank, and I'm a board-certified chiropractic neurologist, and I'd like to talk to you about concussions in youth sports and the steps we are taking at Florida Functional Neurology Group in partnership with Wellness 360 Club to reduce the incidence of concussion, the severity of post-concussion symptoms, and how we can expedite the road back to return to learn and return to play. We know for certain today that the failure to acknowledge and appropriately treat mild traumatic brain injury, or what is commonly known as concussion, can have devastating consequences, and not just for the individual that was impacted. But this is far from a new issue. In fact, the first documented case of brain injury due to sports trauma was in 1929. As a student athletic trainer in 1990, I presented groundbreaking information on concussions to my high school's athletic director and head football coach, and I was told, "Don't worry, kid, we have this under control." But here we are in 2018, and programs are still utilizing baseline concussion testing that has been shown to be invalid. I have put together a comprehensive baseline concussion and performance testing program utilizing 21st century technologies that is helping athletes excel beyond their wildest dreams without the use of drugs. The Right Eye system allows for computerized tracking of eye movements, so we can determine abnormal versus normal. In this example on the left, we see the baseline tracings of a 16-year-old female lacrosse player. On the right are her tracings post-injury. In fact, this student was cleared by her medical provider to return to learn and return to play. As we have seen, the failure to manage concussions appropriately can be very costly. In truth, sports performance and concussion testing is a personal thing, not a computer thing. This allows for the assessment of the individual. What can be done to enhance their performance, their function? By doing this, we can improve performance thresholds and reduce the incidence of injury and expedite recoveries post-injury. I always like to say, the quickest way to recover from any injury is to not experience it in the first place. I'm Dr. Alexander Frank, and we look forward to helping your athlete excel beyond their wildest dreams.